Linking your bank account to TrustArc is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your financial transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your TrustArc account. Visit the TrustArc website and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This section is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Bank Account Linking or Payment Methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the TrustArc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. Now your bank account is linked to TrustArc, allowing for seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, consult TrustArc support resources for assistance.